Hello everyone, I'm at International District Chinatown and on board one line again. For this video, we're going to be to the last ticket all the way to Int'l, but we're going to make up different videos. And this one we'll just go to the stadium, one stop. I actually don't remember the last time I've been here. I've been here once. I've been to the season once, but not before because it's so far away.
Next stop, Stadium.
Going to the caption, to the stadium. The drone is actually going so slow right now. I just don't know why we're going so slow right now. Alright, we're going faster. Stadium's over there.
Now, entering Stadium. Doors to my left.
Our stadium's done.